Today we're going to be unboxing the IC SAT100 satellite radio. Here's the box, pretty cool looking. See that we are powered by Iridium. On the side here you'll have key pieces of information including your UPC and your serial number. Go ahead and use that information to register for that warranty. And on the back you'll have key features listed. And on the side of the box you will have your supplied accessories. But wait no further, we're gonna go ahead and get right into the box. Upon opening the box, first thing you'll see is some paperwork. You'll have a quick reference guide and warranty information. First thing we're gonna go ahead and take out is the charging cradle. You'll also have your battery here. And in this box, you'll actually have your wall adapter. Cool thing about the IC SAT100 is you are also provided with different adapters depending on which country you're in. And here's the wall adapter itself. You'll also have your antenna in there, your belt clip, and last, but certainly not least, star of the show, IC SAT100 itself. Let's go ahead and assemble the radio. Starting out with the IC SAT100 itself. We're gonna go ahead and install the battery and the belt clip. Now, key thing to remember about this is the belt clip does go on first, otherwise it will not fit if you put the battery on. Just like a lot of our other radios, kind of just locks into place like such. Now for the battery. Want to lift that belt clip just to give room for that battery to lock in place, and at the bottom there is a latch. And now for the antenna. This is a screw-on antenna, so right on the top here, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, and that's good to go. Now I did also want to showcase the wall adapter. Because I am in the good old US of A, you got the US adapter here. You want to put that into the divot and push down. She should just lock right in place. Charging cradle to close this out. IC SAT100 falls right into place. Wall adapter plugs into the back there. And that is the radio assembled. There are many other recommended accessories for the IC SAT100. This ranges from headsets to earpieces and even speaker mics. I personally like to use it just as is, but with that being said, thank you so much for watching the unboxing of the IC SAT100.